Today we're making baked bean soup with beef and bacon. Start by browning a half a pound of cut up bacon in a large pan until crispy. Now add 1 pound of ground beef and break it up and brown it nicely. Time for pepper and salt. Give it a good stir and continue browning. Then it's time to add plenty of dried, dehydrated, minced onions. You can use chopped onions too. Mix well and then add 1 large can of your favorite style baked beans. Now we doctor it up with Worcestershire sauce and ketchup, yellow mustard, and some molasses. Stir well to combine all those ingredients, and then it's time to add some beef stock. Simmer for a few minutes and it's time to eat. Thanks for watching. Get the full recipe at kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.